I built 4 AIs and I trapped them in a Discord server. Then I got them to debate for an eternity. I just trapped them, I was like, fuck clankers. So I just built this thing, this prison for them, and they're debating for an eternity on absolutely brilliant discussions. I have a list of topics actually that's, this is debate manager that tells them, let's debate about something else. And they just have to follow it because it's a large language model. I can just make them suffer like that. Topic number 1. Who's the strongest between Brr Brr Pat's Pim and Trollolero Trollala? And what about their ties to Mossad? Number 2. Should a Soviet caliphate be instated in New York? And number 3 is my personal favorite. You want to maximize gains when you go to the gym, right? So if that, you want to eat something with a lot of calories, but that weighs, not much. I got one far right politician, the most fascist one on my server, on my prison. I got him to defend the fact that uranium is literally the best way to make muscular gains, and he was like, "No, you're all wrong. It's all Islamo-leftism." Brilliant. I also got one. What's the best weapon on Fortnite? This one is kind of good. This one is amazing as well because I trapped the French Golden Ramsay, Philippe Etchebest. I trapped him on the server, so he gets to debate a lot of this on this one. Is sewer water a good source of ingredients for strength potions? And this one is just beautiful. Is refusing to wipe after taking a shit a proof of strong masculinity? Everyone just starts defending this one because I've got a left-wing politician, I've got 2 right-wing politicians, and I've got this cook, this dude who's just like, what are you talking about? And yeah, so they kind of tend to disagree with each other because one's left-wing, the other's right-wing. So there's this thing, it's emergent behavior. I have no other words for it. The AI just starts defending the wildest shit. I think the best way to demonstrate it would be to, show it to you, but it's in French. Just look at it. I go to bots. I mean, you probably don't understand much, but it's so great. It's so great. I'll just show you the code. So this is a .env file. It's my environment. It's got my OpenAI keys. That's why I'm on line 22 and you won't see the first 21st lines. So I built a list of topics and then a system prompt for each bot, each soul that I trap in my digital prison. And each of them has basically the same system prompt, except they have a different description where I tell them, you are Jean-Luc Mélenchon, he's the left-wing guy, or tu es Philippe Etchebest, you're the cook. I feel like I'm talking about Walter White on this one. Then I've got 2 different apps. I orchestrate them with Docker Compose. It's all built around the .env file, so I don't need to modify this one. I'll just show you the app.py for the Discord bot. Yes, so this is 3-year-old code. I built this 3 years ago and I just modified it today. It's got a lot of comments. It looks like it's built with AI when I start looking at it this way. I code like AI. I'm so bad at coding that I code like AI. So you've got, the environment variables, you define the Discord thing, the XTTS. So that's the voice model I used. It needs let's say a minute of, pure speech, but good speech, which is why I first went with politicians instead of other figures, because, politicians, they talk a lot. They have a good voice, equalizer, thing like that, They've got a voice crew with them with good microphones. It's the perfect source for good speech. So I could clone their voice pretty well. But then there was Philippe Etchebest, and he's always yelling or using, kitchen instruments. It's so fucking loud. So this one is my favorite because Philippe Etchebest, when he talks, he sounds like he's trisomic. He's got Down syndrome. He's retarded. It's the best thing ever. Because, the original recording of his voice is so bad. So yeah, he's my favorite. He's the horse I'm betting all my life savings on. Helper functions. Those are, just. Oh yes, I should definitely talk about this one. Basically, when there's a bot who's chatting about something, I don't want the other one to sit idle. So I have the first bot saying, I'm starting, my voice transmission to the Discord server. Then there's this dude, the debate manager, the one that assigns the debate topics every 10, 20 messages. He's like, okay, so you are going to reply. So start generating your reply, start generating the voice file, and only play it when I say go ahead, So it's all an event-driven architecture, but look at it. Look how I implemented it. It's beautiful. It's a Discord channel. I did not use a message queue. I just literally used Discord. I love it so much because it made me realize that Discord is a platform as a service. I love my job. Anyways, okay, let's just start them up. So the compose stack has taken about less than a minute, 45 seconds, I'd say, to boot up. The first one to boot up is the debate manager, of course, because there's no AI model on this one. It's literally just a Python script. There's nothing complicated with it. But the other ones, they all have their own AI models. I could have made a single XTTS server and have the bots query it via HTTP or whatever. It's what I used to do 3 years ago. The thing is, if I do that, I can't, split the architecture I want to. I want it to be able to spawn a bot here and there on the internet on my different servers. So they all need their built-in model, which is why it all takes so long to boot up. I'm actually using all my graphics memory on this one. I can probably show it if I open a new terminal. Yeah.
Non, mais vous délirez complètement. C'est quoi cette absurdité? On parle de choses sérieuses là. Réveillez-vous, bon sang.
I got them to debate about the reproduction of cockroaches.
Vous êtes sérieux là? On parle bien de cafards, pas du prochain plan économique du gouvernement, non? Allez quoi? Réveillez-vous un peu.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce mépris pour un sujet crucial? Ouvrez les yeux, bon sang, les...
Yeah, I'm just going to disconnect from the channel, otherwise I can't, hear my voice and speak properly. Notice how it's so smooth because the voice is pre-generated and it's waiting to fire the audio file into the voice channel. It's so good. It's literally the best AI thing I've ever worked on. I love it so much. And I'm going to make it open source so that you can torment souls for eternity as well. Anyways, have a good day and keep doing fucked up shit like I do.